Hey guys, this is a video about how to snap and rejoin videos in Davinci Resolve. So let's say you make a mistake and then one of your video is cut into two parts. So what to do? If you try to join them like this, then some part of the previous footage may get lost. So let's undo this. So what you need to do here is use the magnet button. Click here, and then when you try to put it back, both the clips will snap together in perfect place. But still there are two footage here. So how do you join them together? For this you need to go back to the cut page, then put the marker right over the intersection of these two clips, and then click over here at the timeline actions. Then click on join match edit clips. Now the clip is single.